Makakasama ka sa
Hello.
Meron ako, sige.
Ikaw ang video?
Hindi, sige. May time ka yung pinaka-ano na. Pagka nag-8 na, pa-adjust yan, pabawas yan.
Yes, sir. Black team. 1-0. Black team. Rebound by number 5. Pinaba bola, pinasa kay mga Malyali, no good. Rebound by Mr. Ponce, the MVP, the reigning MVP of one shot. Pass to Mr. Jet. Pass to Marcy, no good. Rebound by Mr. Edward.
Ay, hindi ba ito?
Pass number 5, pass to
7
out of
minutes.
bounds.
Bag 2,
Time remaining.
6 minutes.
Hindi pag pumabot ng 8, tapos na. Hindi, hindi. Ay, walang buwan.
Para shoot. Mr. C, yes! All one. 2-1. Favorite black. Sorry. Favorite white? White. Rebound by Ponce, intercept by Poste. Pass break to Mark. Intercept by Mr. Calvin. Pass to Mr. Marquez. Uy, binalik kay Marquez. Pass to Mr. Edward. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 5 of White team. Pass to Mr. Cobb. Intercept by number 5 of Black. Out of bounds. White.
Wash.
Score 2-1 in favor of White.
Same ball. Bola, ano?
Last.
Hindi maano sa ano. Bili natin bagong bola yan. Yung Molten sa ano eh. Ay, Spalding.
Ano yung gamit ni parts?
Oo. Nasaan na yun?
Marquez! Uy, what a shot.
Ano na siya
Rebound by
eh. Hindi
Mr.
sumasunod
Mark.
sa kamay ko eh. Nawawala.
Pinaki ka, pababa. Duparetso. No good. Rebound by Mr. Pass
Ngayon lang ba uli nakakapaglaro?
Jump. No good. Rebound by number 16. 2-1 pa rin po score. Pass to Mark. Uy, pinuwersa. Pass to Jackie. Yes.
Hindi naka-schedule ba sa loob?
3-1.
Wala, hindi tayo punti na kasi
3-1.
Oo nga, wala na eh. On bira reunion
kung
lang.
ganito karami sa susunod.
Ilalog.
Time remaining.
Ay,
3 minutes.
4
Hey,
minutes, 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Uy,
Foul.
what a head and shoulder shampoo by Mr. Marquez, but there's a foul. Pass to number 5. Pass inside to Alvin. Revert, all good. Rebound by Mark. Boy number 5. Lays up. Lacy. Yes. 4-1. Favorite Mike. Forward. Time remaining.
3 minutes.
How many?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Calvin, na-intercept ng number 5 ng white team. Diretso, pass to Pink. No good. Intercept. Out of bounds by Mr. Pink. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Forward. Favor of white. Number 5, pass to... pass inside to Mr. Edward. Back to Malyari outside. Jump. Yes, sir. 4-2. Favor of white. 4-2.
2 minutes, 5 seconds.
Remaining.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Remaining.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
First period.
Last 2 minutes.
4-2.
Mark Zap.
Inside to Mark. Yes, a powerful. Lopus by Mr. Mark. Edward, number 28.
Tutunog to, Sep, ha?
From 3-point area.
Ako siya, hindi.
Oh,
Hindi,
airball.
dire-diretso na lang.
Diretso yan, mag-a-adjust ka naman sa
Good.
bis na
Good shot.
nagsi-16 ka.
Oo,
4-2.
lang.
Ha? Mas ball eh? 5-2. Sorry. 1 for technical. Score. 5-2.
1 minute, 20 seconds.
1 minute and 21 seconds. 1 minute and 25. Number 16. Pass to Mr. Pink. Pass inside to number 11. Pero isa. Uy. Short. Rebound by Mr. Edward of Black Team.
Oo, ay siya, Michael Jackson.
5-2.
Boss
Bola
Allen.
ng number 5 of Black Team.
Last
Pass
year.
to number black shirt. Jump. Using the board. Yes, sir. 5-3.
40 seconds.
40 seconds. No good. Raise up by Mr. Kum. It's no good. Rebound by Mr. Edward. Rebound bola. Pass to the intercept is number 5.
30
2 and
seconds.
1. Pass to Mr. Coach. Kum. Yes, sir.
25.
6-3. 25 seconds. 20 seconds.
15.
15 seconds.
10.
10.
9.
5.
4.
4.
Change.
3,
Change.
2, 1.
Add na lang, add na lang.
Change score. Score is 6-3.
16 plus.
Change score. 6-3 is the score.
Hindi naman masisasakto.
Ilan laro ka?
Pass to Marquez. Uy, there's a foul by Mr. Cherry. Cherry. Malyari, pass to number 5. Uy, pass inside to Edward. There's a foul. There's a foul. 5. Kumorma, no good. Rebound by number 5 of White. Ibinaba ang bola, dire-diretso. Pass to number 16. Out of bounds. Black ball. 6-3. In favor of White. Malyari. Pass to Marquez. Jump. Uy, no good. Rebound by Mr. Mark. Mr. Pink. Pink shirt. Dire-dire, walang bola. Jump. Sumalayo. Short. Rebound by number 18. Marquez. Pass to Malyari. Jump. Yes, sir.
Calvin Abueva.
6-4. Favor of White. Time remaining.
5 minutes. 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 30 seconds.
6 minutes and 28 seconds. Uy, nice pass, nice play. Yes, by Mr. Pink. 7-4. Number 5. Pass to Edward. Nice play. 7-5.
Bukas
16
laro.
Jose. Pass inside. Kuha ni... Oy, good ba? Good. Back to
Friday.
number 16. Jump. Using the board. Yes.
Liga?
Hindi sa Oryx.
Ayaw.
8-5.
Hindi sa
Very
Oryx.
wide.
Kailan ninyo?
Number 5. Pass to number 20.
Friday.
Malyari. Jump.
Friday,
Yes.
Friday, Saturday ulit.
Monday,
Eight,
Wednesday,
six.
Friday, Saturday. Daming laro, winter eh. Oo.
Pero sa outdoor.
Number 5.
Minsan indoor. Indoor pala.
Diretso.
Outdoor, ewan ko lang.
11.
Depende.
Nice play.
School break na eh.
9-6.
Sa bago.
Pero kasi gusto ko outdoor eh.
Number 5 looking for teammate to pass. Pass inside to Mr. Edward. Short.
Walang puwersa.
5:20.
5:20 remaining. 5:20 remaining.
Yes, si Mark.
Number 4 pass to Mr.
Jay
Jeremy.
Pacific.
Jump shot.
Dalawa si
So good. Rebound by Mark. Uy, nakuha.
Sino pa ba isa?
Sa kanya lang pass to number 16. Yes.
Buti hindi na
Ten, six.
hindi ninyo nag-message sa group. Okay lang ba yun? Okay lang ba yun?
Number 5 pass to Malyari. Nice play. Nice layup by Mr.
Ano
Malyari.
si Sir Jeremy?
10-7.
Talaga po problemahin nila.
De La Peña looking for teammate. Uy, out of bounds.
So kailangan maraming pwede
Black
sa lang
ball.
mahal eh.
10-7. Tatlo na lang ang laman.
Sa kayo
Black
papunta dun.
and white. Malyari.
Kailangan marami.
Jump. Regista mo na.
Lang.
Nice jumper by Mr. Calvin. 10-8. Uy, Mr. Mark. Uy. Yes, by Mr. De La Peña. 11-8. Time remaining.
4 minutes.
4 minutes and 25 seconds. Jose. Jose. Pass inside to De La Peña. Yes! 12-8.
Lalaro pa kayo yung liga. Alam.
Bukas may laro ka eh.
Ayun pala eh.
Tatlo kayo.
Kailan stand time na dun sir?
Pass to Edward. Uy, short
Ang
again.
dami laro na.
Pulls up.
Kasi
Nice.
ano eh, ano
12-9.
At siyang ano eh, ang standing din nila 3
Jerry.
3-6. Ano, kasi doon kasi
Pinasa kay Mr.
sinabi
C. Yes.
5-6.
39. Malyari.
Marami pa rin
Pass to Edward.
Lalaro sa liga.
Uy.
Kaya maraming lalaro.
Umikot. Nakuha ni Malyari.
Ba't silip? Wala
Yes.
silip.
Put back
Wala
by
silip.
Malyari. 10-13. 13-10. Mark, uy!
Kasi maglalaro.
Uy, uy!
Wah, good yan.
That's what you call Euro. Euro Qatar.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Tango.
Short by Edward. Malyari, fade, back to Edward. Reverse, yes, using the board. 13-11. Time remaining.
3 minutes 30.
3 minutes and 13 seconds. Ooh, what a play. 14-11. Last 3 minutes.
3:30.
Bartes. No good. Lumuwa. Pass break to Mr. Boy in pink. Yes. 15-11.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. It's brought to you by
Eh, mag-ano po ba ha?
Committee for Investigation of EGK. Score? Score ba? 16-11. Last 1 minute
30.
and
1:30.
35 seconds. Uy! Shot by Mr. C.
Sakit boy.
17-11.
Hindi nakalaro na ako.
Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. One minute and 6 seconds. Last 1 minute.
Excuse me.
No good. No good again. Goodman number 5. Pass to Mr. Marquez. Yes!
40 seconds.
Last 40 seconds.
Sino lamang? Parehas.
17, 15. Dalawa. 13. Last 1 minute.
Nice. 15.
50 seconds.
20 seconds pala, 20.
Right?
10.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
9,
9,
8.
8, 7, 8, and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
And game ball.
game ball.
Tapos?
Yeah.
Kahit yun pala.
Final